Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This time it's going to be a paneer sandwich recipe. So let's dive into the video. So I've forgotten to take the clips of how I marinated the paneer. So I'll just give you a quick ingredient list of what I put in the paneer marination. I had 150 grams of sliced paneer, 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and salt to taste. And I marinated this mixture for 20 minutes. And then for the frying purpose, I heated a pan and then I put in the marinated paneer and slowly fried them on each side. Now the paneer is well cooked on all the sides. I set them apart. Now I had some leftover marinade, so I have cut some bell peppers and mixed that into the marinade. I'm going to fry this as well. Do the same process as I did for the paneer. Just make sure it is half cooked. You can see that the bell peppers are getting cooked. Now for assembling the sandwich, I'm having some mayonnaise, tomato sauce and the fried paneer slices and capsicum. So I'm applying mayonnaise on one side of the slice. Take some paneer pieces and assemble it. I'm having a good amount of paneer on each of the bread slice. If you want to reduce the quantity, you can do as well. I'm layering the bell peppers on top of the paneer. Put some tomato sauce on this. And then close it with the other bread slice. Now I'm going to toast this in the same tawa I fried the paneer pieces. If you have a sandwich grill at home, you can grill the sandwich in the grill. Toast it on one side and flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now your tasty paneer sandwich is ready. This is a great tea time snacks, so do enjoy it. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe.